In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails using ConvertKit. We're going to walk through creating a simple landing page that lets people subscribe to your list, step by step. By the end, you'll have a live page you can share to start growing your email audience. First, log into your ConvertKit account. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation menu. Hover over or click on Grow, and from the drop-down, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all your subscriber collection tools live. Once you're there, click the Create New button. ConvertKit will then ask how you want to gather subscribers, with a form or a landing page. Both work, but for this tutorial, choose landing page. This gives you a standalone page you can share anywhere. Next, you'll see a gallery of landing page templates. On the left, there's a filter panel that lets you narrow templates based on your goal, like promoting a newsletter or a free download. Take a moment to scroll through and find a layout that fits your brand and purpose. When you've decided, click Choose on that templates card. That will open the template in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a live preview of your landing page in the center or on the left, and editing options in a sidebar on the right. By default, that sidebar is usually set to General Styles. Here you can adjust headings, body text styles, form styling, the form background, the overall background image or color and its transparency, and sometimes add custom CSS if you're more advanced. The exact options can vary slightly depending on the template you selected. To customize specific elements, simply click directly on the block you want to edit in the preview. When you click a block, its unique settings will appear on the right. For text blocks, click the text in the preview and start typing to change the copy. This is where you'll update your headline, description, and button text to clearly explain what people are signing up for. Many templates include both a name field and an email field by default. If you'd rather keep things simple and only collect email addresses, click the name field in the preview. In the right sidebar, choose Delete Field to remove it. Fewer fields can increase signups, so only ask for what you really need. If you do want more information, you can add another field by clicking the plus icon under the existing fields in the preview. A new field will appear, and you can configure its label and settings on the right. Once the design and fields look good, move to the top right and click Settings. A pop-up will appear with several tabs on the left, including General, Domain Name, Incentive, Advanced, and SEO and Analytics. For now, focus on the Incentive tab. This is where you control what happens after someone subscribes. Enable Send Incentive Email to automatically send a confirmation or delivery email to new subscribers. You can also choose to auto-confirm new subscribers if that fits your strategy. If you're offering a free resource, such as a PDF or a download, you can add your URL or upload the file here so it's delivered right after they confirm. When you're done configuring these options, click Save at the bottom right of the pop-up. Finally, once you're happy with your landing page design, fields, and settings, go to the top right and click Save and Publish. ConvertKit will save your work and give you a shareable URL. You can now share this link on social media, your website, or anywhere your audience is, and start collecting emails through your new ConvertKit landing page.